no mask mandates, no state shutdowns, and no school closures. That is what Governor Henry McMaster is saying today in his first COVID-focused press conference in weeks.
Those remarks come as the number of hospitalizations across the state go up, and cases over the weekend reached a 6-month high. Caitlin Hagwood was at that press conference today. She joins us now with more.
We're not going to shut our state down as other states did. Mandating masks is not the answer. Personal responsibility is the answer.
A push for individual action from Governor Henry McMaster Monday as cases rise across the state. His update comes as health officials say the Delta variant is spreading more rapidly and hospital ICUs are beginning to fill.
If you are going to get a vaccination, now is a great time to do it.
While encouraging vaccinations, the governor says he won't be closing schools or shutting down the state, and any mask mandate for public school students is likely against the law.
For the government to mask children who have no choice to protect adults who do have a choice is the wrong thing to do, and we're not going to do it.
Meanwhile, the state's public health agency says cases are surging, with DHEC's director telling News 19 they urge students, teachers, parents, and staff to wear masks inside schools regardless of vaccination status, and say several schools have already had to quarantine sports teams and students due to COVID-19. Just last week, the city of Columbia declared a state of emergency, mandating masks for students too young to get the shots. The governor said that decision is the parents' choice, and the city's mandate could be challenged in court. At the State House, I'm Caitlin Hagwood.
Well, the governor also spoke briefly today about hospitalizations, saying that while they're rising, they're not as high as they were last year. We spoke with the State Hospital Association about what they're seeing.
Our hospitals are definitely experiencing surge right now. The Delta variant is easier to spread and more severe, which is fueling the wave of hospitalizations. Our experience right now is that we're seeing primarily the unvaccinated and some fully vaccinated breakthrough cases. Our numbers are not where they were last year, but we are seeing an uptick in cases throughout the state.
Williams adds that most patients have been unvaccinated and are younger than they were last year.
New visitation.